Hello, this is Subodh Sharma from Wolf. I wanted to share the first shaving brush that I bought from Chennai in 2010. Um, and that's what actually set me up on the shaving journey. So this is not the original base handle at all. I mean, it's gone through two changes in the last 15 years, and the bristles were pretty much the same. It's about 20 millimeter. These ones now they are very soft, extremely soft. I won't say very soft, extremely soft. But you still have to struggle a little bit to make some good quality lather or some really thick lather. The absorption ability has reduced slightly, not too much, but slightly. Um, so when I bought it, it was I was using those the shaving creams which comes in a tube, and then I graduated slowly to shaving soaps and shaving creams in a jar as well. Um, but I've had this brush now for 15 years, and guys, I'm telling you, I think one of the best investments I ever made, along with the razor, which is in another video, which has stood by me all this while, and has been a great journey about has been a great partner in my journey in shaving. One of the biggest things I realized after using this brush, so this is a boar bristle brush. I moved on to badger brushes, and then I moved on to horse, and then synthetic brushes as well. But sometimes, maybe twice a year, I'll shave using this brush, just for nostalgic purposes. And but one of the things I really admire about the boar brushes is the ability to exfoliate your skin while shaving. That's a huge thing. What happens is a lot of people still use shaving foams. So in shaving foam, you'll use the foam, apply it to your face. You're not allowing the bristles to become erect. Um, a brush like this actually makes it possible. So as you can see, it doesn't press too much, but because of its slightly erect persona and a very strong backbone and short bristles now, the exfoliation is a simple walk in the park. So whether it's a shaving cream in a tube, in a jar, a shaving soap, or a shaving mug, any of these things, and the lather that it still makes is, I mean, honestly, it's commendable. Okay, so I was the other day. I was just cleaning up my closet and I saw this brush again. So I thought maybe just let you guys know that there is significant value in investing in a high quality product. This in 2010 was a high quality product. Today it might be run of the mill, it might be a mass product, but at that time it was a high quality product because I literally had to scour different shops to find a good quality brush. The other brushes that are available, which is the nylon bristle, I've used them. I was using them at that time, but it was not giving the kind of quality lather that I was looking for. And that's when I set about looking for this brush, found it, and started enjoying shaving tremendously. I hope you all have the same experience, and if you do let us know in the comments, and we'll be happy to exchange some wartime stories about shaving and how you started shaving and what's the oldest shaving item that you have. Uh, what's the oldest shaving product that you have? Have a good one, and I'll see you soon at pinkwolf.com. Thank you.